Hello everyone, it's Bex here and I'm back with another video in my series, You Have 4 Minutes for Meditation. Today's meditation is another one by request from my Facebook group. If you're not in it, click on that link in the video description to join me in the Bliss In community. And it is for prosperity and abundance. The inspiration for my meditations comes from all over the place, all aspects of my life. First, they come from you, so thank you so much for your requests, and please keep them coming in the comments below. And they come from movies and things I see on TV and books that I read. Just this morning, I was watching the loveliest documentary called The Gospel According to Andre, and it was about Andre Leon Talley, who is the editor-at-large for Vogue magazine. He is a brilliant person and a larger-than-life character who happened to grow up in poverty in the Deep South. But he didn't look at his childhood as being marked by poverty. He remembered his grandmother's house as a place that, even though it was very humble, was very safe and beautiful and clean and majestic in a way. And that really touched my heart because so many of us who have a lot, right? Like we have so much in our lives, only focus on what we don't have. We focus on the lack, and we put ourselves in this place of dissatisfaction instead of a place of abundance, which is the truth that welcomes so much more in. And I'm not talking about financial abundance because I know that the financial struggle is very real. I've experienced abject poverty in my own life. But I want us for just a few moments to focus on the beauty that surrounds us, the abundance that we have so close to us, within reach of our fingertips. So if you would join me for this meditation to suspend disbelief if you're feeling like you have not enough, just for a few moments, I want to invite you to focus on all that you have and all that's coming your way. So find your easy or comfortable seat, and that could be on the floor on a pillow like me, on your couch, in bed, at your desk, whatever works for you. Sit up nice and tall so that there is a clear path all the way from the crown of your head down to your seat. Inhale your shoulders up to your ears like so. And then as you exhale, roll your shoulder blades down along your spine. Your hands can be placed on your knees, your thighs, downturned or upturned to receive the energy around you. And if it feels comfortable, go ahead and close your eyes. If that doesn't feel safe for you, just focus on an object or a place on the floor or on the wall across from you. Focus and then soften your gaze. At this point, I'd like you to bring your attention to your breath, your easy inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. Inhale and feel the air pass your nostrils, travel down the back of your throat, filling your chest, your belly, resting in your seat. And then exhale, let all the air travel up and out again, relaxing you just a little bit. Continue this pattern with your next breath cycle, allowing your inhale to fill you up with energy. Exhale, let it go. Relaxing just a little bit more. Again, inhale. And exhale. Your first lesson in abundance, look how easy it was to call in peace and calm in that moment. You have that inside of you, the power to transform your circumstances, to change your perspective, to call in peace. This is going to be a list-making meditation. We are going to observe and account for every blessing in our lives. We started with the ability to call in peace, to be here now in this moment. And I know that thoughts creep in, sometimes negative thoughts. That's fine. What you also have is the ability to say, thank you, thought. I'll see you later. Just this moment here together is proof that you are deserving of love and time and attention. You're giving yourself those gifts in this moment. You are deserving, and therefore abundance is on its way. You are curious and smart and observant. You have been blessed with all of those things. So you will see opportunities when they come into your view. From this moment on, you won't miss a thing. Not a chance, not an opportunity, not a blessing. Affirm that with this affirmation, this affirmative mantra. Repeat after me. I am open to all blessings and opportunities. I am open to all blessings and opportunities. I am open to all blessings and opportunities. You are abundant with creativity. You can transform your surroundings and bring in beauty that inspires you, that makes you feel alive and excited for your day. So even if you're feeling like you don't have enough, you can still feel abundant in your surroundings. I want you to think of your 3 most treasured objects, something that might have been given to you or passed down to you, or that you found on the shelf at Home Goods that was just the perfect bargain find that makes you light up every time you see it. Think of 3 little things that are precious to you. Think about how they make you feel when you look at them. Acknowledge these things as your personal treasure and proof that you have beauty in your life, that you are deserving of precious things, that you have treasure within reach. Focus on the image of these objects. Inhale and feel joy. And exhale. Inhale joy. Exhale. I'm going to share with you a lesson in abundance that I hold very near and dear to my heart, that I wrote about in my first book. That when you are faithful in the little things, when you appreciate what you have, the universe trusts you with more and gives you more. You have proven yourself to be a faithful steward of what you have. And in that expression of gratitude, you prove yourself to be someone who is deserving of even more. So your second affirmative mantra of this meditation that I would like you to repeat out loud with a whisper or silently to yourself is, I am faithful in the little things, and I am ready to receive more. I am faithful in the little things, and I am ready to receive more. This time, place your hands over your heart space, one hand over the other. I am faithful in the little things, and I am ready to receive more. You are a loving person who wants to do good in this world. When you have more, you share more. You want to do more, so you will receive more. You are grateful for what you have, so the universe wants to give you more of it and then some. Be ready to welcome in abundance. Keep your eyes and your heart open to seeing all blessings and all opportunities because they are on their way. Return to your breath once more, noticing your easy inhales and exhales, bringing a smile to your face because you are so blessed in this moment. And then after one last inhale and exhale together, you're going to go ahead and open your eyes and return to your day. But let's do that together now. Inhale. And exhale big. Thank you so much for meditating with me. Have a wonderful, abundant, blessed day.